Let's see how to download our invoices on Mumbler. The first thing we have to do is log into our account from any of the Mumbler pages. So let's proceed, and here we can log in by entering our email and password, or by using the login options provided by Google or Facebook. Here we are in our account, and what we do is proceed upward to the right to our profile picture. We click on it and navigate to settings. We have tabs: Profile, Creator, Newsletter, Billing, Plans. Before proceeding with the invoice download, it is important to verify that our billing information has been correctly added in the Profile tab. In this tab, we can scroll down and access a range of options to configure our profile, including the provision of tax information such as the tax number and the name to be used on our invoices. Once we have this completed, we go back up and we have all of these tabs. Once again, we're going to billing, and down here we're going to have a list of files that are all our invoices available to be downloaded on our computer.